In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping address on Alibaba. If you're new to the platform or just setting up a new delivery location, I'll walk you through the process from the homepage to saving a complete, accurate address that couriers can deliver to without delays. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. Click the official result to go to alibaba.com. Before you do anything else, make sure you're on the genuine site and that it loads in your preferred language and region. Next, log in with your account so your address can be saved to your profile and used at checkout. If you've enabled any security verification, complete that now to access your dashboard. On the homepage, look near the top of the screen for the Deliver to label. This is where Alibaba shows your current shipping region. Click it to open the delivery settings. A small panel or a dedicated page will appear. Here, look for the option to add address and select it. This opens the address form where you'll enter your shipping details. Begin by choosing your country or region from the drop-down. Pick the exact location where you want packages delivered, because available shipping methods and rates often depend on this selection. Then, enter the full name of the recipient exactly as it should appear on the shipping label. Use the real first and last name to help with identity checks during delivery. Now type the street address, including the house or building number as it appears in your official mailing address. Add any apartment, unit, or suite information in the same line if the form provides a single address field, or in the designated second line if available. Keep the format clear and avoid special characters that carriers might not recognize. Continue by entering the state or province as required for your country. After that, fill in the city. Make sure the spelling matches your local postal records to avoid sorting issues. Then enter the postal code or zip code. Double check the digits and format, since an incorrect postal code can reroute or delay your package. If you're unsure, look it up on your National Postal Service website. When everything looks correct, click Submit. The page will save your new address and add it to your address book. You should see it reflected in the Deliver to section, and you'll be able to select it during checkout. If anything doesn't save, review required fields, switch to the Latin alphabet if needed, and confirm the country, state, city, and postal code all match. That's it. You've added a shipping address on Alibaba.